In this video, we're going to take a look at a few of the areas that I'm not happy with. The spacing of some of these polygons is a little bit too large here. Now, if we go into edit mode and then we try to do a loop cut, you can see what it's going to do, and I don't want what it's doing right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this edge and I'm going to dissolve it. So now that I've done that, it's going to wrap around, so it'll come around the thigh right here. It's going to wrap under, and then it would turn right here. So I'm going to dissolve that edge too. Now you can see that we have messed up polygons here. So we're just going to grab the knife tool and we're going to go ahead and split that like that. Okay, so now that we've done that, if we switch over to the loop tool, we can see that now it's going to wrap all the way around into the center, which is what we want. So we're going to add that in there, and we can't leave it like that because all these are flat. So what we need to do is we need to go through and we need to shape things. Actually, I'm going to do this in sculpting mode. I might still push around a little bit. Okay, so now we've split that part. Let's go down here. I know that each one of these is definitely going to need more geometry. So what we're going to do is we're going to split each one of the toes before and after the knuckles, like that. And we are going to shape those, but probably going to wait until we get into sculpting. Well, we can do it now. So the idea is just to make sure that things aren't flat. And again, none of this needs to be perfect because we're going to be going in and sculpting on it anyway. I just like to get things close. That way when it's time, you have less work to do. And things are a lot easier to move around when you're in this low poly mode. That looks better. In the next video, we'll be tackling this area right here. Thanks for watching.